Imagine this. Someone insults you, criticizes your work, or disrespects you in public. Your first instinct might be anger, frustration, or even the urge to retaliate. But what if I told you there's a way to become untouchable? That no words, actions, or insults could ever shake you again. Sounds impossible, right? Well, the Stoics had it figured out, and today I'm going to show you how you can, too. Anger is one of the most destructive emotions. Clouds your judgment, ruins relationships, and hands control over to those who provoke you. But the ancient Stoics, like Marcus Aurelius, Seneca, and Epictetus, believed that true strength comes from mastering your emotions. In this video, we'll explore how to train your mind to remain unbothered by anyone, no matter what they do. Stick with me, and by the end, you'll have the tools to cultivate an unshakable mindset. Let's dive in. Number 1, reframe insults. The power of perception is key. Seneca once said, "We suffer more in imagination than in reality." Think about it, insults only hurt because we let them. The next time someone says something offensive, ask yourself, is this really about me? More often than not, people's negativity is a reflection of their own struggles, not your worth. Practice viewing insults as mere noise, irrelevant, meaningless words that don't truly affect you. When someone offends you, take a moment to remind yourself, this is their problem, not mine. You'll be amazed at how quickly the anger fades away. Number 2, control what you can, ignore what you can't. Epictetus, a former slave turned Stoic philosopher, taught us a powerful lesson. There are things within our control and things that are not. Other people's words, actions, and opinions fall completely outside our control, but our responses are entirely up to us. Once you grasp this, you'll stop wasting energy on things you can't change and focus on what truly matters, your own peace of mind. The next time someone upsets you, ask yourself, is this within my control? If it's not, let it go. Number 3, practice negative visualization. This might sound a bit odd, but the Stoics had a unique approach to dealing with life's challenges. They believed in mentally preparing for the worst-case scenarios. By getting your mind ready for potential insults, criticisms, or disrespect before they actually happen, you can take away their power when they do occur. Marcus Aurelius practiced this daily, reminding himself, today, I will encounter selfish, rude, and arrogant people, but I won't let them disturb my peace. So, every morning, take just 30 seconds to remind yourself that negativity is on the horizon, but you won't let it control you. Chapter 4, respond with indifference. Nothing frustrates an angry person more than someone who stays calm and collected. If someone tries to provoke you and you respond with indifference, their power over you just vanishes. Think of it like a fire that needs oxygen to survive. Without it, the flames die out. That's how anger works. Your lack of reaction suffocates the negativity. The next time someone tries to get under your skin, just smile and walk away. That's where true power lies. Chapter 5. Strengthen your mind through daily discipline. Stoicism isn't just a philosophy. It's a way of life. If you want to be truly unshakable, you need to train your mind every day. Meditate, journal your thoughts, and practice self-reflection. The more self-aware you become, the harder it is for others to control your emotions. Start journaling each night. Note the moments when anger started to creep in and think about how you could have handled things differently. Over time, you'll see a significant shift in how you react. In closing, the key to staying calm and unbothered by others lies in your ability to control your perception. Focus on what you can change and train your mind to remain steady. Stay unshaken and remember, no one has power over you unless you choose to give it to them. I have a little challenge for you. For the next 7 days, whenever someone tries to provoke you, respond with complete calmness. Take a moment to observe their reactions and notice how much more in control you feel. After the week, come back and share your experience in the comments. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload. Let's keep this journey going as we master our minds, one Stoic principle at a time. See you in the next video.